Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into ASANA to learn how to add currency custom fields. It's a fantastic way to keep track of budgets or expenses directly in your projects. So, let's get started. First thing first, you need to be on your ASANA project page. This is where all of your tasks live. The reason we start here is because custom fields, including currency fields, are project-specific. So select the project you're interested in. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the next step. Look towards the top of your page and you'll see a Fields button. Click on it to open the Custom Fields menu. This is where we'll have the opportunity to add new fields to our project. We're focusing on the Fields button because it's the gateway to customize our project with additional details, like currency. Next up, click on the plus Add Field button. A prompt will appear with different field types you can add. Here's where we'll select currency. The reason we do this is to create a field that specifically caters to monetary values. This brings us to the next crucial step. You'll now see a form where you can name your field, choose its currency, and determine whether it's a number or a dropdown. Let's name the field appropriately, say budget. Then choose your desired currency format. This is important because it allows you to customize the field based on your specific needs. Once you've filled that out, hit Create Field. Your new currency field will now appear in your project, ready for use. This helps us because we can now start adding budget details to our tasks, which can be incredibly helpful for financial planning and tracking. And that's it. You've just learned how to add currency custom fields to your ASANA project, which is an essential skill for any ASANA user dealing with budgets or project costs. Remember, these fields are project-specific, so you can tailor them to each individual project's needs. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, happy organizing.